First, upload your pictures and videos, whatever you're using. Second, click sounds and choose an audio. I'm going to choose Freaked Out. Then you add your pictures and you match it to the beat. And once it clicks for Freak Out, right there, you have to put it to 7 seconds. Next one, listen to it, click. There we go. We put it to, the bag. Okay, so we put it to 1.4 seconds. Okay, 1.4 seconds again. Okay, so now everything matches up. Let's put this picture of the bike. Okay, 1 second and 1.4 seconds. 1.4 again. Make sure everything aligns. Make sure everything aligns with the video. Okay. Put 1 second. Okay. Got that part done. Okay, now we're almost done. So, second. Okay, put it to 1 second. Next one more second. Second. Okay, that looks good. Okay. Yeah. I'm probably gonna make this 1 second. Actually, I'm gonna do every one of them 8 seconds, not 8 milliseconds or something, whatever it is. But once you have that done, I'm gonna keep this 1.4. Okay, that looks good. Yeah. That one. Let's just shorten this up, and then let's cut the audio down a little bit to where the point where it's just right at the end of the picture, and then we fade out 1.1 seconds, fade in 0.6 seconds. Okay, now you go to text and press freaked out. I forgot to spell it. Wait, let me try. Freck. No, Freck. No, I don't. That's Freck. Reack. Okay. Ow. Okay. Wait, I got it. Oh, I just forgot what. Oh yeah. Wait, no. It's not freak out. It's freaked out. Okay, wait. Okay, let's switch it. Okay. Freaked out. Okay, put that at the top. Keep it for 3 seconds. There we go. Keep the bag. Okay, so now we get to animations. Press shaken and keep it full. And I might not use this. I'm gonna switch it. Go to edit. Press animations, and then wrong one. Press it. Animations. Then let's do shake 3 all the way. Okay, do the next one. Animations. Choose go here. Choose that one. Full. Okay. And simply, you just keep doing the animations, doing the shaking ones, do the vibration ones, keep it full. And you do that so it like fades into it. And once you're done, just give me a minute. I'll speed this part up. Okay, almost there. So here we are only 2 frames away, and here full. Okay, one more will be pressed. Edit animations now. Press out. Well, actually not 3D, not out. Keep it full. Almost like 75%. So yeah, once we have all of that, we go to auto captions. I gotta type it. Go to I put it all the way up. Now go to captions, auto cap. What? Is that working? Okay. So we choose that. Now press which one? That one? Try this one, yeah, that looks cool. Audio. And then it's generating. Come on, hurry up. Oh, there we go. Wait. Oh, yeah. Okay, we gotta put let. Okay, fonts. Fresh. Torah. Animations. Effects. Just go to art. Okay, there we go. I don't know, let me show you how to do it. Okay. Okay, wait. Probably gonna switch that right there. Yeah, let's just do this. Boom. And then ding ding. Okay. Once you have that done, that's the thing. Okay. Almost done. And now, that's the tutorial. Let me show you how to move, let me show you how to get that bad, you ain't